Look at this video of this unboxing for this 3-pack from Tusk Winery. It's completely over the top. They've invested probably thousands of dollars into a video that doesn't even show how they made the wine. They're just showing how they packaged it. And you know what? They're going to sell a ton of this wine. Now, look, obviously, if you're a winery, you don't need to do this level of production with all of your wines. But so many wineries don't give their wines any kind of fanfare when they're unboxing. Let me show you something else. Harry and David made a 6-pack of pears into a $35 a box experience with some tissue paper and foil. I remember my family getting a Harry and David gift back in like 1986, and they're still doing the exact same thing today because that stuff works. Those pears taste amazing because our senses believe what the packaging is saying about them, despite what our brains might be telling us about the pears you could buy at the store. So, winemakers, you've put years of effort into making your wines, but your job doesn't stop when the wine goes in the bottle. You have to tell the drinker again and again just how special the wines are and just how amazing they're going to taste. And the fewer words you use, the better. Okay, rant over. Hope everybody's having an awesome day.